Ciao ragazzi! This is always the last part when we do comparisons. These are the irregulars. There are some words that change entirely depending on how you use them in a comparative mode. They might be adjectives or adverbs. As far as the adjective, this is not a huge list. There are more, but this is the basic list. And they are like this: buono, cattivo, grande, piccolo. These are the ones that I ask you to learn. So buono, cattivo, good, bad, grande, big, and small, piccolo. So if we're using them as a comparative, you will have più. You have both. Either più buono, which you always knew how to do, lui è più buono di lei, or you can say lui è migliore. Honestly, when there's an irregular, I think it's cooler to use the irregular. I guess it shows more knowledge, or it's really often more used. Allora, migliore. Quindi, lei è migliore di lui. Peggiore is the opposite, worse. You can also say più cattivo. Usually this is more to mean ill-natured or unpleasant, and here good-natured, nice, agreeable. This is more general, like better. Maggiore in age or size. This is usually in bigger in degree, age, or importance. This is bigger in size, so maggiore, like major. And piccolo, smaller in degree, age, or importance, is minore, or simply the regular version. If you're doing a relative, so the comparator was the one più, meno, followed by di o che. Instead, if we're working in the relative box here, which means he is the nicest boy in the school, you will use these, just like you would for a comparative, but then you are going to continue. So say il migliore studente, per esempio, della scuola. So you want to have the article, then your word, and then your second half of the relative. And this is for all of these. So il peggiore della scuola, il maggiore della famiglia, il minore della famiglia. And here I'm making a relative. As far as the absolute, I can either say, oh, it's just extremely good, or excellent, ottimo, pessimo. Remember the word pessimistic, you just can't get any more negative than that. Cattivissimo, massimo, o grandissimo, minimo, o piccolissimo. This is for adjectives, so adjectives describe nouns. These are our other. Now adverbs, we use the matching ones. So bene, which is well, male is badly, molto a lot, poco a little. So in a comparative sentence, you'll say meglio. Lei balla meglio di Susanna. Peggio, worse. Più or di più. Meno o di meno. Now relativo, relative, I feel this one's not very used. I still want to teach it to you, but it's almost, if it's relative, it's like as, she dances the best possible. So what's it relative to? I still want to teach it to you. It's always the same word. You want to be sure that you will put the il. If there's meglio, this is meglio, peggio goes here. You just want to remember to also put the article if you find yourself in that situation. And the good news is that the absolute is regular, so you don't have to worry. So as far as adverbs, it's really here that you want to take note. Va bene? Quindi lei balla. You can't say più bene di Susanna. Doesn't exist. You have to say meglio. Lei balla meglio di Susanna. Peggio, di più, di meno. So this is your list of irregulars. Just not anybody's favorite chart, but it's really not as bad as it looks. Okay, I hope this helped. Ciao ragazzi!